Today's class is idioms, 24 popular idioms. Okay, what is an idiom? 2 points. Idioms are words, phrases or expressions that are grammatically unusual. For example, long time no see. This expression means I haven't seen you for a long time. Second point, the meaning cannot be taken literally or from the individual words. Example, it's raining cats and dogs. This means that it's raining heavily and has nothing to do with a cat or a dog. Why learn idioms? Well, idioms are an important part of every language. The more idioms you know, the more fluent and native-like your English will sound and be. By learning idioms, you learn a lot about the culture and you improve your understanding of the language. Be careful. Using idioms correctly is extremely difficult. Classification. Learning idioms in groups. Often, idioms are grouped into categories such as colour, animals, body, food, and business. Here we have colour, to be blue, which means to feel depressed. Animals, to kill two birds with one stone, means to get two things or activities done at once. Body, to pull someone's leg, means to joke or tease someone. A piece of cake means easy to do, and with business, to give someone the green light is to give permission to go ahead with a project. Okay, looking at these idioms in sentences. Perhaps you can say these with me. Things are looking blue for Tom these days. His wife has left him and he's lost his job. I'm not a police officer. I was only pulling your leg. If you pick up the shopping when you drop George off for school, you will kill two birds with one stone. I thought the test would be really hard, but it turned out to be a piece of cake. Our boss gave us the green light to begin work on the new sales promotion. Okay, what I'd like you to do is pause this slide and try and put in the idioms you have just learned. Okay, idioms. Here are our half of our 24 popular idioms. First of all, pause this slide and see if you can describe what each of these idioms means. Okay, here come the answers. Definitions. To give someone a hand means to help someone. To pull someone's leg, we've had before, to teach or joke. A piece of cake means easy. A pain in the neck means annoying. Green fingers means good at gardening. A dog's dinner means a mess or a muddle. To catch someone's eye means to attract attention. To break someone's heart is to be deeply upset or to upset somebody. A couch potato is an inactive person who watches lots of TV. A teacher's pet is the student the teacher likes best. Okay, your turn. Here we have an exercise. The idioms at the top, I'd like you to put in the correct idiom into the right place. Pause this slide. Be careful of grammar. Okay, here come the answers. Again, say these sentences with me and check your answers. I'll be glad to give you a hand with your homework. She told her father that he had won the lottery, but she was only pulling his leg. This assignment I'm doing at the moment is a pain in the neck. She keeps a beautiful garden. Like the rest of her family, she seems to have green fingers. You should see their filing system. I'd call it a complete dog's dinner. I was looking out of the window when a puff of smoke from the garden caught my eye. He had an affair and broke his wife's heart. Most Fridays we're so exhausted that we're happy to spend the evening at home in front of the TV just like a couple of lazy couch potatoes. Okay, Sally is the teacher's pet. She always gets special treatment. This is the same exercise as before, but another selection of popular idioms. Again, what do these mean? Pause the slide and go through them. Here come the answers. Out of this world means wonderful. Raining cats and dogs raining very heavily. To keep an eye on something means to watch or look after. To put your feet up means to relax. A big head is someone who is egotistic or conceited. I'm all ears means I'm listening hard. A sweet tooth means enjoys eating sweets and chocolate. Hang on means wait a while. Junk food is unhealthy food, sometimes called fast food. On cloud nine means I'm extremely happy. To eat a horse means I'm very hungry. Okay, the same as before, put these idioms into their right place. Please pause the slide. Okay, here come the answers. The hotel atmosphere was out of this world. We offered to keep an eye on their cat for them while the neighbours were away on holiday. Excuse me, if I put my feet up for half an hour, I'm really exhausted. The new boss was unpopular because he was very big-headed when he told us how successful he was. You only have to mention food to a teenage boy and he's all ears. He has difficulty dieting because he has such a sweet tooth. Can you hang on a minute? I need to talk about what we're doing tomorrow. Lots of children prefer junk foods and ready meals to a healthy cooked diet. He's been on cloud nine since he heard the news of his promotion. What's for dinner? I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.